Hey guys, Dr. Matt here from Robin Wellness Center, and today I want to show you guys one of the modalities that we use to help heal you and help you feel better in office, whether you're dealing with a slip and fall, a disc injury, or a whiplash injury, and that is our intersegmental traction table. Now this is one of the easiest for you guys because it does not take a whole lot of effort on your behalf. All you have to do is turn on the table over here with the green button. As you can see, 3 rollers will push up into the spine and they will slowly move their way up and down the spine. What that does is it lifts up into the spine and causes those facet joints on the back side of the spine to lift and distract and helps relax them, but it also creates an imbibition process with the discs. Now, when we're young, our discs eventually will lose their blood supply, so the way they get their nutrients in and their waste out is by a process called imbibition. And as we're walking, our spine is always distracting, compressing, and it's just like if we put a sponge inside a bucket of water and we push the sponge down, old water goes out, let it come up, new water comes in. Your discs work the exact same way. But if you were injured and your body is splinted or you're subluxated and your spine isn't moving very well, that imbibition process can't happen as efficiently, and that's when over time you can get degenerative disc disease where the discs will actually start shrinking because they don't have as much water or as many nutrients in them, so they will literally decussate or they will shrink. And that's why one of the reasons why we get a little bit shorter as we get older. So this is a really easy one. All you got to do is turn it on. You land here for 5 minutes, helps with flexibility and mobility of the spine. And the cool thing is you don't have to do anything. You lay a couple ice packs down and you are good to go.